Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Hey guys, good morning. This is the Velvet Locks with another video. Now, a lot of you ask me, how do I start my morning? Well, when I was on my weight loss journey, this is how I started my morning. Now, I'm starting my morning this way again because I'm a little bloated. So this is usually, what I do to get rid of the bloat as well as maintain my weight. I have my glass, 8 ounces of water, filtered water from my water machine, and I use my wonderful Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Okay, now I'm only going to put 2 tablespoons of this, which is in my concoction drink video. And I usually use a half a lemon, or I use my real lemon juice. This stuff has really gotten me through because a lot of times the lemons would stay in the refrigerator and spoil. So this is what kept me from wasting my lemons. And what I would do also is just add a pinch of my cayenne pepper to kind of rev it up a little bit. Okay. Now when you're on a weight loss journey, this is how you should start your mornings, afternoons, and evenings, because you're trying to detox your body. You're trying to get rid of whatever buildup you have in your colon. You want to restart and re-regulate your kidneys. So you want to definitely rejuvenate your body, get it ready for weight loss, because if you don't detox, you will not lose weight, or you will see very little weight loss. Okay, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar is a weight loss aid. It will help you to lose weight. It will hold you down while you're losing the weight, as long as you're eating healthy meals. But what you do in the meantime is what counts. So this is how I start my morning, and if you're on a weight loss journey, you should also implement this as well. Do the same thing 30 minutes before you have your lunch, and also 30 minutes before you have your dinner. But in the morning, 30 minutes before you have your breakfast. Okay, so this is what I'm going to have before I start my teas. And what I like to do, and what I suggest for you to also do, is to invest in these metal straws. Okay, this will help your enamel a lot. So there you go. In order for you to see weight loss on your weight loss journey, you must detox your body first. If not, you will see little to none of weight loss in your body. So detox your body first. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.